Can you really make money working from home? The answer is yes, yes, yes. In this video, we're going to talk real numbers and talk about some businesses that you could start today and start earning money from home. For the best advice on starting and growing a six-figure business, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. Building a successful business has never been easier than before. Please make sure to stay till the end of the video because that's where we're going to go over real client numbers with you. Hi, my name is Kirsten Graham, and along with my business partner, Jeanne Willson, we own Six Figure Business Coaching. And we're here today to tell you how you can make money working from home and build the life of your dreams. I absolutely love the question, can I really make money working from home? My answer is always the same. Yes, if you're willing to do the work. Technology has made it easier than ever for people to work from home. So whether this is a side hustle, you're freelancing, or you're building a full-blown business, it's never been easier to work from home. You have technology like Zoom and the ability to remote in. There are all kinds of wonderful ways that you can use technology to build a business, earn a great income, and do it all from the comfort of your couch, if that's where you want to work from. We're going to link a video up here or here, I never know where, and it's on using a software called LastPass. If you're working from home, it is a great software to use. In fact, even if you don't work from home, it's a great software to use. Make sure to check out that video next. There's several ways that you can work from home and make really good money. One is you can have a job that allows you to work from home, and those jobs do exist. Another way is to do freelance work. There are all kinds of websites that you can go to and offer your services and just do freelance work. But in my opinion, the absolute best way to earn a really good income working from home is to start a business. And there are so many amazing businesses that you can start and run from home. In fact, we've got a list of 85 linked below in the description. But here's my question to you. What do you love doing? What are you really good at? How much money do you need to make? These are all questions you need to ask yourself. And then are you willing to learn new things? Because again, the question is, can I make money working from home? And the answer is yes, but you're gonna have to work. And for so many people, working is easy if you know what you're doing. But sometimes when you're working from home, you have to step out of your comfort zone and do things you've never done before. You need to learn new skills. You may need to take a class. You know, you've never owned a business before. You don't know anyone who's owned a small business. These can all be really scary things. However, if you truly want to work from home, you need to explore all of the options that are available to you. Again, would your employer let you work from home? Could you do freelance work? Or is there some sort of business that you could start? My vote is always for the business. I feel like now more than ever, people like to support small business owners. There's also more information out there on how to start and build and grow a business from home than ever before. There's so many people who've done this, and they'll guide you and they'll teach you. We have a great Facebook group of people just like you who have conversations about the businesses they're going to start, the things that they're learning, asking questions. I feel like now more than ever, people want to support small businesses, and it's become more and more acceptable to start a business and run it from your home. It is a really easy way to build a six-figure income doing something that you absolutely love. If you haven't had a chance yet, please check out the video, The Best Small Businesses to Start from Home. I think that'll give you some insight and ideas on businesses that you could start using the skills and talents that you already have. I said at the beginning we would talk real numbers. Now remember, we work with people who are starting a business. So I do not have numbers for you for people who have jobs from home or who are just doing freelance work. But I do have some really great numbers for clients of ours who are working from home and making great income. The first person I want to talk about is an interior designer. She's been in business just over 2 years and is on track to earn $130,000 this year alone. The second person I want to talk about is a professional organizer. She actually grossed $60,000 in her first year. The third is a bookkeeper. Her first year she made $38,000. Her second year she made $80,000. And for her third year, she's actually on track to make $180,000, and she has another person working with her. The fourth person I want to talk to you about is a writer. She does copywriting, copy editing. She writes articles and blog posts and things like that for her clients. Her first year in her mind was a disaster. She made about $18,000 and she said she was stressed out all of the time. However, she loved what she did and she hated the idea of going back to a job. So she doubled down on her marketing. She really learned how to build her business. And in her second year, she did $68,000. As you can see, there was a wide range of numbers there. But hopefully this tells you that you too could make money working from home. As long as you're doing something that you love, that you're good at, and you get out there and market your business. That's really the key. If you want to make money working from home, you have to work. And part of that, if you choose to build a small business, is marketing, marketing, marketing. Learning how to market your business, get the right clients, charge the right prices, and then do great work for those clients. If you do those things, I'm very confident that you could build a full-time income working from home. We are always excited to be a part of your entrepreneurial journey. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified. Also, share our video if you think it could help someone else. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, dream big. Okay. Let's bump the video.